this looks fine. Just chest drive it. Graspers.
I'll change the colour, isn't it?
Okay. What does this serve me? It gives me pose, health, and...
Look at his feet. See, oh, weapons. Go on weapons. See what kind of weapons there is.
Oh my gosh, look at his hands.
Hey, look at the weapons. See what kind of weapons.
Spin. Can I just get your ice cream? Like your ice cream.
And you get the ice cream like that. Go home and have ice cream.
I don't. I like my warm.
This is welcome. What issues are there? Hey, did you take him off?
Yeah.
Oh, make the tail longer. Make it like thin at the end and put it on so it almost like swings it around. That's better. No, this is too much. That's a bit too much for you.
No.
Yeah, that's it, yeah. I'll swing it round. Click on the strike.
What else with the hands?
Can't you
What
actually
does it?
use
It gives you. Oh, it gives me strike. Hold on. If I take my hands off and I put them back on, what's the strike? Oh yeah, it gives me the ability to have strike if I don't have it on my hands. No, I hit with my tail. Look. Oh, I turn it around. You can see it better.
Yeah, obviously.
Oh, I've got a really good idea.
There he is. No. Oh, Taylor. Oh, do punt. He doesn't have any. The grasp is them. Can't grasp them.
Oh well, who cares? Let's take that off. There we go, 1. No, don't turn into 2. Stupid thing. Oh. Damn it, turn into 2. How do you like your ice cream? I like mine very cold.
I don't think it's sweet.
Right, okay, now look like a mason now. Yeah, that's better. Let's stick that one. Oh no, I got a really good idea. I actually took that mouth off, but he's still nominable. So that's fine, yeah. Cheeky upgrade then, but
Can I play chop?
look, watch.
They love. They just look so good.
Pose. I never actually got pose before.
Taylor, is it Taylor?
That's what it is. Pose. You know when they go and like play. That's
That's why they
pose.
kept saying no.
Yeah, it's pose. I didn't know. I'm gonna strike. Oh, I'm gonna upgrade him now.
Chocolate chipsicle.
No.
Why not? Why can't
Bad.
you play it? Why not?
It's also got only 4%. So. Okay. Man, the charger so many times you run out of chair.
Really hate it.
Yeah, in a bit. I literally just face slams you into the bed.
Chocolate chipsicle.
Get on the bed.
Chipsicle. Brain. Chocolate chipsicle.
Brain liquor.
What taste the proper one? Okay. Yeah. Oh, Taylor. Oh.
I'm making one sure.
Looks like you wrong.
You look slightly
Exactly.
wrong. So do I.
Put something on his tail. Put like a hand on his tail.
I can't put hands down, which really sucks. I wish I could just put a hand on it anyway.
Yeah, eat him. No.
I turn them into hands.
I don't know if he is a hand. That's awesome.
Come on, see if I can get another pair of arms off those.
Oh, Taylor, make one hand coming off the back. Oh, damn it, you can't do it.
No, yeah, they look bad anyway. Come on, if I just do this. So let's see this. If I go like that, and I get rid of these legs. I meant to get rid of them. And stick like them on or something. Do they look okay? They look okay.
Taylor.
That's disgusting.
Oh, Taylor, that's horrible.
That was you.
That was you.
That was obviously. Shut up.
You shut up.
It was you.
It was you.
And then what was I gonna do? Oh yeah, more arms.
Taylor,
So does your face. And I will close it. Okay, yeah, that's good. Now I'll change its colour. Pink like. Whoa. Whoa, I never made that. That was the one before. That's what it looked like before. Look at the difference. That was our first one, that's our second one. That one looks cooler than that one, just to say. Only by a little bit. That one.
yeah, colour.
Look, hey, look, you get to make your own spaceships. Oh, that's the, yeah. Yeah, Tekken is our old species that sadly died out. Bulb. Bulb.
Bulb.
Bulb. That boy.
Bulb is epic. Bulb.
Paint like, yeah.
Bulb. Bulb.
Bulb. That's better.
A bulb. 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 A bulb.
Alright, let's see what happens. Oh, okay, I can't do strike anymore. Or I can't do anything actually. Oh.
You still jump?
Yeah. It's those fin things. I'm glad I kept them on. Oh, I have more health now. I have 17 health. Oh, I still have that little dude in my pack.
the baby's doing.
I've got so much more health than him now. I've got like 5 more health than him. What the hell are these? I'll remember. Oh no.
A Kunfa.
Kunfa.
Whoa! Fast.
Yeah, let's see. Ah.
I want to go downstairs now. Go back. Ah.